Okay, today's episode of Edwin K. Plumbing, we are going to be cutting into this beautiful, beautiful 2-inch green line you see in front of you. It's the main line for our pool makeup water, as well as a couple hose bibs. But we want a hose bib that will wrap to the left, come to the left, and go behind the pump ring. So that's what I'm doing today. Is I'm cutting into this 2-inch line and installing a 2x2 by 3/4 inch T that will eventually serve as the supply for that hose bib. Okay, so right now I'll use a grinder with a grinding wheel to smooth out the outside edge of the copper pipe. And then later I'll use a pencil deburring tool or a pencil reamer to clean out the inside of the pipe. Okay, on 2-inch, sometimes the fittings will give issues with sliding in and out of the pipe, and this is what it's giving me right now. It's just stuck. So it's fighting me, but I'm working on it, I'm getting it. I personally like to solder over using a ProPress any day. It's just my opinion, but I do use ProPress also. I just only use it when I need to or have to. Okay, here I'm going to check the back of my solder joints with a mirror and a flashlight to make sure everything looks good, and it does. Okay, so there we go. Thanks for watching, guys.